Hello everybody. This is a system sensor fire alarm Horn-Strobe, and I think it's a mass in the foyer, in the back foyer of my church. And I'm not sure when it was installed, but I would suspect sometime in the 1980s or early 1990s. As you can see, it has a pre-ADA strobe, and so it would not be compliant with today's codes, but I don't think that the laws are retroactive because they have not replaced these alarms. But I'm also not sure what code setting it is set on, but I know that there are like at least 6 or 7 different code settings for it, but I've never heard this alarm go off, so I can't tell you what the tone is. Here's the tag. Its Candela rate is 1.0 Candela. With that said, thank you very much for watching.